Hacksaw. How to cut metal using hacksaw. Cutting metal with a hacksaw may seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a little know-how, anyone can learn how to cut metal with a hacksaw in just a few simple steps. One. Gather your tools and materials. You need an appropriate hacksaw frame, blade, safety goggles or glasses, gloves for protection, clamps to secure metal firmly. 2. Prepare your workspace. Make sure there are no flammable materials nearby, as sparks may occur during the cutting process. Clear away any clutter. Set up any clamps or other devices needed to keep your material steady while you work. Wear safety glasses and gloves before proceeding. 3. Cutting metal with a hacksaw. Position the blade of your hacksaw against the metal so that it is aligned parallel with where you want the cut to be made. This will help ensure an even cut. Then begin sawing back and forth slowly and steadily until you've reached your desired length or thickness of metal. Conclusion. With these steps in mind, and with plenty of practice, you should soon be able to master cutting metal with a hacksaw like a pro. Just remember, always wear proper protective gear when working with any tool. Never try to rush through cuts. Use clamps or other devices whenever possible to hold material still while sawing. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.